Hello everyone, I'm Chaitra. Today I'll speak about cell structure and functions for grade 8. What is meant by cell? So all living organisms are made of cells. Cells together make tissues and tissues make organs, organs make organ system, and system make living organisms. So we can say that cell is a building block and structural unit of whole living organism. Discovery of the cell. In the year 1665, a English scientist named Robert Hooke, he observed slices of cork. Cork is nothing but it is a part of the bark of the tree, outer part of the tree. Under a simple microscope or under simple magnifying device, he noticed that there are partitioned boxes and he named these boxes as cell. Later, the cell theory came into limelight. It said that living things are made up of cells. Cells are basic structural and functional units of living organisms. The first two proposings are put forth by Sladen and Schwann, who work with plants and animals. And later the third proposing is proposed by Rudolf Virchow. When he saw the cells dividing under the microscope, it stated as the cells arise from pre-existing cells. Shape and size of the cells depends on particular function. They coordinate together to perform varied functions, and it is said that human body is consisting of more than trillions of cells. Based on number of cells, the organisms can be divided as unicellular organism and multicellular organism. If at all the organism is made up of only one single cell, then they are termed as unicellular organism, which consists of the examples like amoeba, bacteria, paramecium. Whereas if at all the organism has more than one cell, that is many cells, they are termed as multicellular organisms, which includes plants and animals. Types of cells. There are two types of cells, which is termed as prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. If at all an organism consists of prokaryotic cell, then such kind of organisms are called as prokaryotes, whereas if at all the organism is having eukaryotic cell, then the organism is termed as eukaryotes. The minor difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell is in prokaryotic cell, as you can see in the picture, there is no nuclear membrane. It means that the nuclear material or the genetic material is freely found in the cytoplasm, which is termed as nucleoli. And there are no any membrane bound cell organs. Whereas in eukaryotic cell, the nucleus is enclosed in a well-organized nuclear membrane, and it also consists of membrane-bound cell organs. The word pro, it means that primitive, and karyon refers to a nucleus. So we can term prokaryotic cell as the cell with primitive nucleus. Whereas the eukaryotic cell, the word eu means true and karyon is again nucleus. So we can say that eukaryotic cell is nothing but the cell with true nucleus. Size of the cells. The smallest cell is considered to be bacteria, whose measurement is 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer. The largest cell is measuring around 170 millimeter into 130 millimeter, which is egg of an oyster. The size of the cell has no any relation with the size of the body of the plant or animal. The longest cell in our body is nerve cell. The shape and size of a cell is generally according to their function. You can see in the picture, the red blood cell has a biconcave shape. The columnar epithelial cell has column-like structure, whereas the oval cell, that is the egg cell, which is spherical in nature, smooth muscle cells, which is spindle in shape, and neuron is the longest cell, which has got many branching because the function is to transmit the nerve impulse. Bone cell is irregular shape, and sperm cell has got a tail for the swimming because sperm cell has to move from male reproductive system into female reproductive system. Parts of the cell. The basic components of any cell are cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Cell membrane. What is cell membrane? Cell membrane is also called as plasma membrane. It is also called as selectively permeable membrane because it do not allow every molecule to enter or to exit. It will permit only certain molecule to enter and to exit. So it is known as selectively permeable membrane. And it is the living part of the cell which is very thin, delicate, and it is elastic. It gives shape to the entire cell. This is the structure of cell membrane, which is made up of two layers of lipids. So we can term it as it consists of bilayer of lipid, which has proteins which may be embedded in the membrane. Such kind of proteins are called as integral protein or intrinsic protein, or it also may be located outside the membrane, which is called as extrinsic protein. Next vital component of the cell, which is present only in plant cell, fungal cell, and bacterial cell, that is cell wall. In addition to cell membrane, the outer layer present is termed as cell wall. The main function of the cell wall is to provide strength, structural support to the cell, and protects the organism from physical damage. What are the cell walls made up of? Plant and algae cell wall is made up of cellulose, whereas bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Fungi cell wall is made up of chitin, and archaea cell wall is made up of isoprenyl ether. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance which is present between the cell membrane and the nucleus of the cell. Various other component or cell organelles can be present in the cytoplasm in case of eukaryotes, whereas cell organelles are absent in case of prokaryotes. Remaining part of the concept, let us discuss in next part. Thank you.